Today we are going to make filled chocolate. It's not hard, it's quick and easy to make. And it's so delicious. Let's get started! Yay! Here's what you need. Pick your favorite chocolate. You can use white chocolate, milk chocolate, or dark chocolate. Also need fillings for your chocolate. We chose meringue. I'll put this meringue into the filled chocolate. M&M. I will buy M&M chocolate. Marshmallow cereal. Choose your favorite shape of your chocolate mold. I picked square, but we also have shell shape and a heart shape and even a heart shape. We also need a pot, glass bowls, spoons, and a spatula. You should also add a little to help you because we have to use the stove. Help us, please. Now we are ready to make chocolate. Yay! First, cut the chocolate and put in a glass bowl. Ask another to help you melt in a pot of the water on a stove. You have to put in your favorite filling. I picked rice cereal. What did you pick, Joseph? I picked M&M because I like candy. What about you, Liv? I picked meringue because they are sweet and chewy. Okay, let's put the fillings in the chocolates. Now cover the filling with more chocolate and use the spatula to take away extra chocolate. Now you let the chocolates cool until they are hard. You can cool chocolates quickly in the refrigerator, but don't leave them there too long or they won't look pretty. But make sure you take them out after 15 minutes. Now we are through. It looks so yummy. Mine are so cute. What we are waiting? Let's eat. I can see my M&Ms. It's colorful. I can see my cereal is crunchy. I can see my meringue. It's sweet and chewy. I had a lot of fun making chocolates today. Me too. We hope you have fun making those chocolates too. If you like our video, please like and subscribe.